LinkedIn client hunting. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open a browser and search www.linkedin.com. Sign in by entering your email and password, and then click Sign In. On the main page, click the search bar located at the top. Type keywords related to your target client, for example, marketing manager, and press Enter on your keyboard. On the search results page, click the People tab to narrow the results to individuals. Then, click all filters on the right side of the page. Next, adjust the connections, locations, and current company settings according to your target criteria, and then click Show Results. Scroll through the search results and review the available profiles. Click on appropriate profile to open and view the details. Once you're on the profile page, click the More button, select Connect, and then choose Add a Note. Write a short introductory message in the provided box and click Send to complete the connection request. Repeat this entire process for multiple target clients per day to increase your chances of building valuable connections.